In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access safety and emergency. Then click on emergency contacts. Select add at the bottom and click on one of your contacts that you wish to add. Then select cancel or OK in notify contact pop-up and click on add contact over here to add another one. If you wish to change placement of your contacts, click on this icon at the top right corner and drag your contacts to create a perfect list. Then go back. To delete one of them, use the same icon, but this time click on this little X next to one of your contacts that you wish to delete and hit remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!